Oh hey, are you ready for a van tour? Hi everyone, my name is Bao. This is 2021 LDV Deliver 9. I've owned it for 2 years now. Since the last 2 years, I've been using my spare time to convert it to a camper van. Alright, so let's do a van tour. So exterior, I changed this panel to the glass. I didn't do it myself, I got a specialist to do it. And also on the other side, at the back of the driver's side, I had to install this window. It has a fly screen and I can slide the window open. It provides a lot of ventilation and air circulation, especially when I turn the Maxi Air fan on. On the top of the roof, I had installed a front runner roof rack, a Maxi Air fan, 2 solar panel, which comes in total of 300 watt solar input. So at the back of the van, these 2 glasses are factory ones, which is bonus. I tinted them super dark. When you come inside, you will notice I have this partition wall installed. It separates the driving unit to the living area, and it makes the living area more like a home, which I really like. On the top left, I have this little shelf. I put some of my stuff. Underneath this shelf, I have this little light. It is dimmable and color changeable. And underneath this thing, I have this little thing. It's actually a key holder. Behind the curtain, I have this little storage place. Put all my bedding stuff inside of there. There's also a blanket behind it. It really provides a good isolation of temperature control. So at this part, I have 3 separate spaces. The top one is currently just has a storage place. The second one, I have a microwave. Beneath the microwave, I have a little drawer. You can put some stuff over there. The microwave is sitting on the sliding drawer as well. You can just slide it out. That would be much more convenient for you to heat up your food. And behind the microwave, I actually installed a power point. So it basically just put it out and then heat up your food. At the bottom drawer, once you open the door, you can see it is the Matic fridge. It's 43 liters. It provides plenty of space for myself. If I'm on a trip for a couple of days, I don't need to worry too much about it. At the bottom, I have this little space. Currently, I have electric heater and vacuum cleaner. So now this is the kitchen area. Over my head, I have 2 separate cabinets, which you can store some lightweight stuff in. And here I have a dimmable light switch to provide plenty of light for me to cook. And here I have a paper rack. When you turn this switch on, it will show you the level of the gray water, which is 43 liters underneath the chassis. And this one is the pump on and off switch. On the right side, I have cut a recess to put my dishwasher liquid and also my hand wash soap. And this faucet and big sink. This is the vent for the air conditioning, some PowerPoint, King's inverter remote. This is a switch on and off to turn the inverter on, so I will be able to use it normally household appliances. And here I have this socket, basically just to charge my 12-volt appliances. And on the side, I also have another vent, which is for air conditioning. And the air conditioner is installed underneath the bench area. Also, I have this Sirocco fan. And on the right side, I also have this open shelf. Currently, I have some books over there, a fan, lamp. So on the opposite side, I have this induction cooktop, which is really nice to use. I don't need to worry about the gas. And on the side, I have this, I made this fold-up table. When you cook in the van, there's never going to be enough space for you to prep. So extra countertop, and also the one that I showed you before, that one slides out, plenty of area for you to prep food. Also, I installed a ball joint, so you click it in and when you drive, it won't go anywhere. The top switch controls the front 4 lights and the bottom switch controls the back 2 lights. Next to the induction cooktop, I have this little shelf. I put my mocha cup and some other stuff over there. This face is actually removable, so I can change the fuse behind this panel. Next to this shelf, I have this little mirror and a picture frame over there. Underneath this induction cooktop, I have these drawers to put my utensils. And underneath that, I have another drawer. And the bottom one have a slightly bigger ones. On the left, again, I put my plates. The bottom left one is currently I store my portable toilet over there. All these drawers are lockable, so when you drive, it won't slide out. Also at the bottom, I have these two drawers hidden underneath. Just use my toe to kick it and then you can slide it out. Extra space. Underneath the sink, I have two portable water tanks. Each one is 22 liters. I can easily carry them out to fill water. I have water pump installed over there as well. On the right side that I showed you before, I have this extra sliding out countertop. It's on the latch. Once you close it, it won't move around. And this latch is also lockable as well. I have this shallow drawer. Underneath that shallow drawer, I have another drawer. Plenty of space. And underneath the bottom one is a slightly bigger one. You can put all your clothes, all your cooking utensils. And also, not to mention, you kick it and you have extra space to put your stuff. On the left side of the bench, I have an air conditioner unit, and beneath that I have a diesel heater. And on the right side of the bench, I basically have all my electric setup over there. I have 3000 watt inverter, a 300 amp battery, and MPPT solar charger. So on the driver's side of the bed, I have this reading light, dimmable, and also underneath that you can charge your phone. There's a USB charging point.